Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 131. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Graduation is already starting. Now, Wei Xingyu is having a speech for them. I'm glad to be here, facing you said to the students. Now, she was really proud and also happy. She can able to speak, also have speech for them. Facing you attending the graduation ceremony of my junior classmates. Well, we can see on her eyes that she was really genuinely happy. Also, she got really excited. She can able to witness the graduation of Chishao. Oh my god, our people named Wei Xingyu is so looking good. The junior classmate is talking about her. To be honest, when I first watched Burning Summer, I thought of senior sister Xingyu. Well, everyone seems to notice Wei Xingyu that she looks really beautiful. Oh my god, I'm the last one to notice that there's Wei Xingyu in our school. So, what's going on? Yansu is actually Wei Xingyu. Why didn't people tell me? Oh, her classmate has been curious about Wei Xingyu. Jishao said to her, well, she told me over coffee, but I thought that it was their privacy after all, so I didn't tell anyone. Jishao, she was right. Of course, she don't need to disclose about the real identity of Wei Xingyu. Right now, her classmates said, come to think of it, when I watched Scorching Summer, I also supported the CP of Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Well, the classmates seems to like Wei Xingyu so much. That's why they've been talking about her. After a few moments, finally, the graduation is already done. Michelle, she looks really happy. She threw away her cup, and she was really smiling clearly. It was a pure happiness. Now, it makes sense. Her friend said to her, look at these pictures I just took for you. Shawnee said to her, especially the one with the ears of corn. It was good that Wansi, in this world, she is a photographer. Also, right now, she can really save Chishao. Fancy, said the Jishao. I took a pretty good shot, right? Fancy, she was blushing. Although she is complimenting herself. Well, maybe she is really good at photography. That's why she was confident on herself that she can take a good photo of her. Isn't it very beautiful? Fancy said to Jishao. Jishao, all she can say is Well, probably she was really curious. Right now, it seems that a flashback. Isn't it a perfect match? It was very nice. Why does this sentence sound so familiar? Since because of the previous memory, I can able to remember about her past. Right now, it's clearly it was coming back for her, but it was only coming back into pieces. That's why it's taking her for so long. Mr. Wansi, can you help me to take her graduation photo with Shishal? Oh, of course, she is really glad too. Wansi said to them, I think since we are wearing academic uniforms, it would be better not to hold hands. Right now, it was Wei Xingyu who was approaching her. Look at her. She was carrying a bouquet of flowers. It was really look good. The flower seems to be familiar. This is the flower she was always giving her. Back then, well, Jishao, she must be really lucky that Wei Xingyu. She is really sweet to her. Think, so too. It doesn't look good if the two ropes are stuck together. Why? Why I'm feeling so nervous at all of the sudden? Oh, Jishao. She was really looking at her friend. Now, it was facing you while approaching Jishao. Look at her. She looks really happy. Jishao. She was staring at Wei Xingyu. She looks really gorgeous on that dress. Wei Xingyu said to her, happy graduation, and now, he's giving her flowers. Jishao, she took over the flower. Well, it must be smells good. And the flower, it was really fresh. Looking at it, she really remembered that flower. Right now, she seems to notice it. Excuse me, what kind of flower is this? Shishao, she was asking Wei Xingyu. Oh, probably. She remembers something. This flower is similar to something. Oh, Wei Xingyu. She was holding her. He said to her that it was a tea blossom flower. Wei Xingyu, she seems to be blushing. And also, she looks really getting shy. Probably, she was really shy to explain it to her. But when Jishao hears the name, of course, right now, she was blushing. It was a tea flower, and it really looks good. Jishao, she looks really gorgeous. The decorations, and also, she was holding the flower. She looks like a goddess. Otherwise, Xingyu and Jishao should take a photo together as well. Well, Jishao said to her, "May I?" She seems to be getting shy when she approaching Jishao. Maybe because of the friend. Jishao said to her, it was good. Face, it was really turning red. Also, she was staring at Wei Xingyu. Probably until now. She really won't believe that Wei Xingyu put attention on hers. You two, just come a little closer. Right now, Wansi said to them. She was restraining herself. For Wei Xingyu, she moved closer with caution. Oh, she looks really happy. After a while, getting closer to Jishao, Jishao suddenly remembers something. It was an old memory of hers. Oh, it seems that she remembered the feet of pieces of the fast, together with Wei Xingyu. Right now, it's looked like imagination, but the memory is really coming to her into pieces. Maybe she will get curious about it, but at this moment, everything seems to be puzzled. A piece of piece, a bits of bits. Oh, I'm talking a photo with. Now, she got really curious about this, since the memory is really different from this. Jisho said, I can bear to. And take a closer look right now. Oh, she really saying that seeing you and hers in the photo of the memories. Now, it really makes sense. Jisho said to herself, who I'm saying goodbye to. Everything seems to be confusing because of the piece of memory coming back from slowly. Of course, she got really confused. Right now, Jisho, instead of being happy, she looks really sad and confused. She was asking herself why. It is clear that I have never been separated from anyone. Well, it really makes sense. As of now, she got really confused about things. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!